Hi, I'm Misty Winters, Realtor with Catherine Hanson Real Estate, and this is my weekly interview. Today I'm interviewing Bethany Butler with Coast to Coast Lending. And so we're going to ask her a personal question just to get to know her, and then we'll get into the juicy informational stuff next. So tell me a little bit about yourself and exactly what you do, I guess, and why.
Okay.
I guess that's like 3 questions.
There we go. Three's the charm. So I'm Bethany Butler, and I'm with Coast to Coast Lending. We're a division of Hamilton Group Funding, and I've been doing this for 35 years. And do you know what that makes me?
Knowledgeable?
Old. I basically, like I said, I've been doing it for 30 years. We're a mortgage lender. We're a national mortgage lender, and we are based out of Florida. I have had the opportunity to work with some amazing real estate agents in this area and a lot of customers. We do all types of loans: FHA, VA, conventional, USDA, down payment assistance, all that good stuff.
Okay, so you do pretty much every loan under the sun, but I guess your heart is really with VA, right?
It is. VA is definitely my specialty program. My dad was a 27-year naval aviator, and so I was brought up in the military world, and I really love doing the VA loans. It's probably the best loan program out there, but it's got a little bit of the reputation.
Oh yeah, I was going to say the best loan program out there. Really? Contrary to what I've heard, I mean, just from me calling lenders, when I call lenders with a VA inquiry, a lot of lenders will kind of, you can hear them just kind of gasping behind the scenes because they, because I guess there's just so much involved, probably because they're not as knowledgeable as you are about it.
Well, it is definitely a knowledge. There's a knowledge curve. I mean, in the military, we kind of speak a different language. We don't say pay stubs. We say, hey, do you have your LES? So if you're not experienced in that loan type, it can be nerve-wracking, I guess, would be the word that I would say. But VA loan appraisals also kind of have a bit of a wrap out in the mortgage market.
Oh yeah, absolutely. Yeah, I know. I actually did a VA loan last year, and that was one of the things that we were all biting our nails
Everybody
over.
was worried about
was the inspection and the appraisal.
Absolutely.
And that was what the lender had told us, that this is going to be the tricky part. So yeah, it's good to know that it's not really quite as scary as I think it is.
No, it definitely isn't. I mean, they have a little bit higher bar when it comes to the appraisal, inspection, and that sort of thing, but nothing crazy. For the most part, we go from application to closing in about 30 days on most of our VA loans.
Wow.
So it runs pretty much.
That's like record-breaking time.
It really, if you know what you're doing. I mean, we are delegated underwriters for VA, so it's not like we have to send the loan off to VA for approval or whatever. Everything's in-house.
That's probably why you're able to do it a lot faster.
Absolutely.
But I think it's good that you have that specific thing that you do, or loan lending that you do. Although you do all of them,
we do.
I do think it's commendable to have something that you are specific in and specify in, and that way. All the realtors know to go to you for
exactly
VA.
right. And for me, it's a comfort thing. I love working with the veterans. They're just an amazing group of people, whether you're active duty military or if you're a veteran. They speak my language, I speak their language, and I can offer them just about the best loan product out there as far as I'm concerned. 0 down, no PMI, lower credit score requirements. It's just a wonderful program. So. We also do something else for our veterans that I'll share with you too.
Yeah, please do.
We have a program that's called Hamilton for Heroes, and it is just it's an overlay basically for all of our loan programs. If you're a mortgage veteran or an active duty military individual, then you can come to Hamilton and we will waive all of our lender fees for you just because you are a veteran. So that's almost a $1,600 savings.
Very cool.
We send a $100 gift certificate after closing, and we have an entire team that will work on those loans to make sure that everything goes smoothly and that we can serve our veterans as well as they've served us.
Wow, or somewhere close to it.
Somewhere close to it. That's right. It's not the same, but it's a little something that we can do. I just think that a lot of people will avoid the VA loan program even if a veteran qualifies for it because it's scary.
Yeah.
But it's not scary to us. We get it. And we love doing them. So with Hamilton for Heroes, no matter what type of loan you do, we'll waive those lender fees and send that gift certificate, and hopefully everything will be up to par.
Very cool. That's a super cool option to have, for sure, to have that extra cool thing with Hamilton for Heroes. So, and I appreciate you bringing your notes. That's always, I mean, she actually did her homework, which shows what kind of lender she is. She cares enough to be prepared, and I really appreciate that and appreciate her taking time out of her schedule. And this is Bethany Butler with Coast to Coast Lending. She has all the social media platforms, so you can find her on Twitter and Facebook and Instagram and all that. And I'll have her put her information in the comments below so that you can have a way to get a hold of her. And again, it's Bethany Butler, Coast to Coast Lending, and I'm Misty Winters, Realtor with Catherine Hanson Real Estate. Thank you for watching.
Thanks.